Hello, I'm here to teach you on how to make a paper airplane drop a nuke. First, you take a piece of paper about this size, then you fold it at the top, kind of like a paper airplane, and then you roll it up, twist it, it's like this. Crumple it at the bottom and keep that flat. You have this. And then you take a piece of paper. I have my hole pre-cut, but you fold it down, push it over, fold the sides down, just like you would make a regular paper airplane. And then you take your scissors and you cut a hole in it at the bottom, and then slip this in, just leaning over a little bit, and then once you take off and start moving it a little, as such, it falls. See ya.